In an ever-changing business environment driven by information technology, it becomes critical for businesses not only to transform their business models rapidly, but also to ensure that their information system remains aligned with their latest business strategies. Decision Table is a technique that enables business rules to be made. Today I would like to present you the Decision Grid on Excel, show you how to produce sophisticated decision tables built on data model easy and simply. We will get an introduction with this powerful analytical tool. This ensures that the information system is always aligned with the business strategy to achieve the expected business outcome. Decision tables are a key piece of the puzzle in building better business capability, often delivering huge ROI. A recent report in CIO magazine found that up to 70% of CIO budgets are spent on maintenance. Even conservatively, if you assume that half of the maintenance costs are attributed to business rules maintenance, it is likely that upward of 35% of IT budgets are spent managing business rules. A recent report by International Data Corporation, the IDC, supports these numbers. According to IDC, 3-year net ROI for organizations deploying rule-based engines is in excess of 100 through 25 to 80 reductions in development costs. Decision tables offer a powerful, business-friendly technique to represent decision logic, dramatic conciseness, completeness and correctness. Decision tables are a must-know for business analysts and other professionals. Decision Grid is a powerful tool to build decision table easy and quickly on Excel. Let's explore the decision table concept in deep, using the Decision Grid tool. This use case deals with a price list for a rental car company. On this case, the decision table has 4 dimensions. The first dimension is car type, divided for 3 groups: A, B and C. The second dimension is driver age, divided for 2 groups, old and young. Order type describes 2 course options. Duration describes 4 rental periods options. The decision table contains all the possible combination between those dimensions groups, which bring to 48 options. Dash, each junction on the grid is an outcome of one of the 48 options. The decision grid is bound with sample data table. The decision grid updates the output fields of the sample data table. In this case, the price per date field was updated with the values entered to the grid. To understand better the concept, let's give each output field on the decision grid a unique value, from 1 to 48. The cell number 22 is an outcome of 4 combinations. Car type is B. The driver is young. The order type is circle and the rental duration group is a long term. Now let's update the sample data table with the new output. We can see that each record on the sample data got a new updated value on its price list field. The decision grid updates not only the output fields on the sample data table, but also the dimensions group's alias names. This feature was designed to support the analysis of the sample data using Pivot Table, the Excel BI tool, but it is also very useful to analyze the sample data records. Let's add the group's alias names to the data table in order to inspect better the effect of the decision grid update on the data table records. In order to understand better the advantages of using Decision Grid and Pivot Table as a combination, please watch the Pivot Table combined with Decision Grid demo. Comparing the update results of the first record, we can see that it is completely matched with the cell number 22. Decision Grid is excelling with analytical features. One of them is the Scenario Test tool. On the Scenario Test, you can check out the compatible of the conditions you set to the logic you meant. On the Scenario Test tool form, you can pick from list, or enter the basic values of the sample data, in order to examine in detail if the result of a haddock scenario meets your logic. Let's spend some time to inspect the scenario's results. The cell number 21 is an outcome of 4 combinations. Car type is Mini, which is a member of Group B. The driver is older than 21 and the driver is old. The order type is Circle and the rental duration is 33, a member of the long-term group. The Decision Grid's most practical tool is no doubt the SQL generator. This tool automatically generates SQL code out of the Decision Grid, save tons of work and time from the programmer and ensure the quality of the code. In a blink of an eye, this tool generates complicated SQL case sentence that is ready to be copied and pasted to your ERP or other enterprise applications, in order to implement your rules. Before we conclude our demo, I would like to present you 3 use cases. The first use case deals with risk management, grading loans according to the risk parameters. The second use case deals with incentive for Salesforce, show incentive percentage according to performance parameters. The third use case deals with preventive maintenance policy according to SLA, severity and probabilities to get serious dysfunction. We hope you enjoyed our demo. You can download Decision Grid for free. Should you have any questions, please contact us via our site.